Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to tell you about something that genuinely shook me as a developer. I had no internet, but I had work to do. And what happened next was not good. So let's start. So, as you all know, I'm an Android developer, and recently I shifted from XML to Compose. Everything was going perfectly smooth. But one day, I just ran out of internet. I had nothing else to do, so I thought, let's finish my Notes app and revise concepts. I started with the Notes app. Initially, the progress was really good. The UI was made, the structure was made, but then suddenly everything started breaking. Not because I did not know how to put it, but I did not understood that why to put this thing over here and specifically over here only. That clarity was missing. And if you guys come to this situation, what is your first instinct? AI, right? So my first instinct was also AI, but I had no internet. Dead end. And that's when it hit me. I could not even complete a basic notes app on my own. What kind of a developer I am? So I just sat back and I thought, am I even a developer or just a coder? Because you must understand, a developer is not a person who can code, but a developer is a person who can solve a specific problem. You should know how to design a system so that it can solve a specific problem, because code can be done by anybody else also. So I started working without AI. No shortcuts, no help, no internet, just me with my IDE, and I'll write the code by myself. But what is the difference? I'll just not write the code by myself. I'll just take a copy. I'll design the whole flow, the whole system, how I'm going to get the logic flowing from the UI to the logic, everything like from the repository to the view model to the UI, and everything will be written by me firstly on a copy. I'll just write down a wireframe of it, and then I'll write the system to solve a problem. And the problem this time would be what? To take notes by myself. So this is my problem statement. I'm going to solve it. I'm going to take a copy. I'm going to write it down, and then I'm going to write the code without using AI. And I just started it in the first week. It was so slow, so damn slow. But things started changing. I went from guessing to understanding, the shortcuts changed to concepts, and the random debugging transformed into logical debugging. And I started to feel like a developer again. Now you'll ask, why am I telling you this? Because I learned it the hard way after wasting months. And I don't want my subscribers to lose their precious time. AI is very powerful, but all of you, my friends, must understand that AI is just an accelerator. It's not a replacement for your own creative thinking. So I want you to try this. Remove AI from your workflow and just don't use it at all. And after that, if your workflow is going to break, that means you don't lack tools, rather, you lack your fundamentals. And you will immediately understand where you actually stand. So just try it out, because always remember, the tools are going to change in this developer industry, but your thinking is the thing that is going to be the factor to make you stand out. Till then, keep learning, keep building, keep breaking, and keep debugging. Sayo, sayonara. Sayonara.